Equipment-free workouts are a convenient form of getting fit without using any machines, weights, or any equipment at all. In this video, we will talk about 5 easy no-equipment exercises to get flatter belly quickly. These equipment-free workouts fire up your abdominal muscles and help you achieve a flat tummy quickly. So before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Plank. The plank is a core stabilization movement which targets all the core muscles. Doing a plank is incredibly simple. The right way to perform a plank is maintaining a stationary push-up position for the maximum possible time. If you're just starting out, try to maintain a plank for 30 seconds, going up to 1 minute and then 2 minutes. The most efficient way to practice a plank is to hold the position for a minute and resting for 10 seconds before repeating the movement at least twice more. Number 2. Walking. For an exercise that makes your stomach really flat, get up and move your legs. Just 2.5 hours of walking a week, about 20 minutes a day, can shrink your belly by 1 inch in 4 weeks. It seems to help reduce deep belly fat at first. Now, before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers help you to get a full body workout. It improves your mobility and gets a calorie burn. To do mountain climbers, put both hands and knees on the floor. Place your right foot near your right hand and extend your left leg behind you. In one smooth motion, switch your legs, keeping your arms in the same position. Switch your legs back and forth twice, such that your right leg is again close to your right hand. Number 4. Reverse crunch. Reverse crunch is one of the most effective workouts to lose belly fat at faster rate. Lie flat on the floor with arms at your sides. Cross your feet and lift them off the floor so your knees create a 90-degree angle. Contract ab muscles and lift head and shoulders off the ground. Exhale when you contract. Inhale when you lower back down. Number 5. Burpees. Burpees is the most effective exercise to lose belly fat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, weight in your heels, and your arms at your sides. Push your hips back, bend your knees, and lower your body into a squat. Place your hands on the floor directly in front of and just inside your feet. Shift your weight onto your hands. Jump your feet back to softly land on the balls of your feet in a plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to heels. Be careful not to let your butt stick up in the air. Jump your feet back so that they land just outside of your hands. Reach your arms overhead and explosively jump up into the air. Land and immediately lower back into a squat for your next rep. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these simple exercises from tomorrow? Which exercise out of these do you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.